So using DeepSeek, what you can also do is go ahead and generate out a marketing plan as you wish. So to do that over here, what I can simply do is type in, let's say for example, I want a social media marketing plan for a coding class that is happening next week. What should I do to gain attraction at low cost using social medias right here, just like this. So let's say for example you want to get a marketing plan right here, so you can simply go ahead and type in that prompt, and then what happens is that DeepSeek will go ahead and process that out and then will give you a marketing plan accordingly. So you can see that it says creating a low-cost social media marketing plan for your coding class requires a strategic approach. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So it says define your target audience. So it says who are you targeting? So beginners, students, professional, hobbyists, and so forth. So you can see that you can go ahead and then define this out. And you can choose a platform as well, and it says create a content calendar right here. So it says plan for post for week leading up to class and include a mix of content types and so forth. And you can see that these are the content ideas that has been given and provided to you as well. And you can see that it actually helps you choose out the tools as well, and even tells you to offer incentives right here, just like this, and even gives you sample post ideas, as you can see right here, for Instagram, for Twitter, and for LinkedIn and as well. So that is how you can go ahead and generate out a marketing plan inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.